Want to make real money just by playing or installing games on your phone or computer? You can earn up to $80 per app you install and play. In this video, I'm going to reveal the top 2 apps that pay you to play and install apps. Stick around till the end, because I have a special bonus that can boost your income even more. Let's dive in and start making money today. Let's head over to the first app that can make you money online by installing and playing apps. It is no other than the Swagbucks app. Step 1. Install Swagbucks. The first reliable app for earning money by installing and playing games is Swagbucks. If you use a PC or laptop, you can access Swagbucks on your computer. If you use a smartphone or tablet, you can download the Swagbucks app for your Android or iOS device. So, go to the Swagbucks website on your computer, or download the Swagbucks app on your Android or iOS device. Look for the Sign Up button on the homepage, and click on it. You can sign up using your email address, or you can use your Google ID or Apple ID for a quicker registration process. Step 2. Navigate to Games after logging in. Navigate to the Discover section and choose the Games option. This will lead you to a page with various games you can install to earn money online. Earnings range from 250 to 25,000 Swagbucks points. Step 3. Browse available games. Alright, let's dive into the fun part, browsing and choosing games. Once you're in the Games section on Swagbucks, you'll find a huge list of games just waiting for you. It's kind of like walking into a virtual arcade, but better because you get paid to play. Each game you see will have a little tag showing how many Swagbucks points, SB, you can earn by installing and playing it. Think of these points like a reward system. The more complex or time-consuming the game, the more points you can rake in. Some of the simpler games might offer around 250 SB, which is still pretty good for just a bit of your time. But here's where it gets exciting. More challenging games can reward you with up to a whopping 25,000 SB. For instance, you might come across a casual puzzle game that offers 500 SB just for reaching level 10. Or perhaps you find a more immersive role-playing game that's offering 10,000 SB for reaching level 50. The variety is impressive, and there's something for everyone, whether you're into quick, casual games or more in-depth gaming experiences. Step 4. Install and play. Alright, once you find a game, click on it to dive into the details. The next step is straightforward. Follow the instructions to get the game installed on your device. Once it's ready, it's time to start playing. To earn those Swagbucks points, you might need to complete specific actions or hit certain levels within the game. It's kind of like leveling up in your favorite game, except this time you're leveling up your earnings. Just a heads up, each game has its own set of requirements, so be sure to read them carefully. Some games might ask you to reach a specific level, while others might have you completing specific tasks to rack up those points. It's all about following the game plan to maximize your earnings. So, get ready to game on and start earning those Swagbucks points. Step 5. Track your earnings. Once you finish what the game asks you to do, Swagbucks adds those points to your account. You can check how much you've earned in the activity section of your account. It's where you see your progress and know how close you are to cashing out. Step 6. Redeem your points. You need a minimum of 300 SB to make your first withdrawal. Redeem 300 SB for a $3 gift card from popular retailers like Amazon, Apple, and others. For PayPal withdrawals, you need a minimum of 2,500 SB to redeem $25. Swagbucks also offers various other redemption options such as donating to charity or entering sweepstakes. Step 7. Payment options. Swagbucks is available everywhere and offers various ways to cash out based on where you live. You can choose from popular options like gift cards, PayPal, or prepaid Visa cards. Look in the rewards section to see all the ways you can cash in near you. Now, heads up, I will be revealing the second app, and it's no other than the Free Cash app. Free Cash is one of the best get-paid-to apps, allowing you to earn money by installing different apps and playing games. To start, follow these steps. Step 1. Sign up and log in. Visit the FreeCash website or download the app from the Google Play Store. Sign up using your email address or social media accounts like Google or Facebook. Complete the registration process and log in to your account. Step 2. Navigate to Offers. Once logged in, navigate to the Offers or Games section. This is where you'll find a list of apps and games available for download. Step 3. Browse available apps and games. Explore the list of apps and games that offer rewards for installation and use. Each app or game will specify how much you can earn in coins or dollars for completing tasks, such as installing the app, reaching certain levels, or completing specific actions within the app. Step 4. Install and use apps. Choose an app or game that interests you and click on it for more details. Follow the instructions to download and install the app on your device. Once installed, open the app and complete any required actions to earn your reward. Some apps may require you to reach a certain level, complete a tutorial, or use the app for a specified period to earn rewards. Step 5. Track your earnings. Your earnings, usually in the form of coins or points, will be credited to your FreeCash account once you complete the required tasks. You can track your earnings and progress within the app itself, often in a dedicated earned or points section. Step 6. Redeem your earnings. Once you've accumulated enough coins or points, you can redeem them for rewards. Common redemption options include PayPal Cash, gift cards to popular retailers like Amazon or iTunes, or cryptocurrency. Step 7. Bonus opportunities and referral programs. Keep an eye out for bonus opportunities such as daily check-ins, surveys, or special promotions that can boost your earnings. FreeCash often offers referral programs where you can earn additional rewards by inviting friends to join the platform. Step 8. Payment and withdrawal. FreeCash typically allows you to withdraw your earnings once you reach a minimum threshold, such as $5 or $500 coins. Payment methods may vary based on your location and can include PayPal, gift cards, or cryptocurrency options. So, both Swagbucks and FreeCash offer simple and fun ways to earn money online by installing apps and playing games. Whether you prefer exploring new games on Swagbucks for Swagbucks points, or completing tasks on FreeCash for coins and rewards, these platforms provide flexibility and various payment options tailored to your preferences. Start today and turn your gaming sessions into rewarding opportunities. Now that you've learned how to earn money by installing apps and playing games on Swagbucks and FreeCash, here's a question for you. Which type of game do you enjoy playing the most to earn rewards? Casual, puzzles, or immersive, role-playing adventures? Let us know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to Profitability Plus for more tips on making money online and maximizing your earnings. Turn on notifications so you never miss out on our latest content. Thanks for watching, and happy earning!